Status width. Let's have a look at the skill status window. We're going to call this equip skill status. Equip skills status. Create status window. Button there. This does take a rect, so the command window should not be that big. Maybe 3, maybe 4 is right actually, but we'll see, we'll see. Status window. Yeah, maybe a bit longer though, of course. Scene skill, let's see, where's the status window? How big do we have the status window here? Main command width. So we probably want that too. So then we need to make the command window command width, right? Yep, main command width. We'll get rid of that. Does that look just the same? Yeah, okay, that's looking good now. The item window. Probably just a regular item list. Or a skill list, okay. Alright, so let's see. Create item window is going to be skill list. I don't think we are going to have something like that. Maybe we do in case it's passive. Maybe there's some way of having passive abilities that increase stats, and that would maybe help. Slot window, I think we can get rid of. Um, item window. Item window rect is not going to be slot window rect. The X is going to be 0. No, let's have. What am I trying to do here? I was thinking the equipped skills on the right, and then the other skills you have on the left. Yeah, we don't really need a slot window if I just have an item window. Okay, so the window X. And that's not a thing anymore, right? Command whip. Command clear. Okay, so those are still things. No more slot windows. Item, yep. Right, where are we? Let's just take stock. Status width. Where is it asking for that? 241. Slot window. Get out of here. Item window. Okay. probably because of this. Set item window. Set actor undefined. 5-3. Slot window, get out of here. So we're gonna have create item window, but this is equip skills window. Let's go for the same thing, but then we'll alter the position here. X. No, this one stays the same. The equipped. Box width divided by 2. So if they click equip, what do we want to do when they click equip? This equipped window will activate. So let's make this clear equipped skills. just make it null again. That's probably fine. Item window rect, let's see. So start below the command window. Still not showing up anywhere. There's probably an error somewhere. Skill list. Just does it the regular way. Excuse me. Okay, they're drawing over the top of one another, which means I forgot to cut this width in half. Okay, so far so good. Skill list. Let's make our own skill list. Equipped skill list. So this is going to be equipped skill list. So then we will make item list. That might be it. So let's tell it to load equipped skill list instead of just skill list. Window equipped skill list. Why is it not liking it? This thing? Did I forget that? Okay, let's see if it just works. Oh, one idiot. Of course, we've got no equipped skills, so nothing's going to show up. We're going to call this pool skill list, which terrible name, but maybe full skill list. Includes. Here we go. Here we go. Turn item. And for this one, should it be included? Just say true. So how come just grabbing all the skills and telling it just to show it? Still no good, huh? Skill list. Okay, so where does that leave us? Where are we? So log this dot actor dot skills. Didn't even do anything, which means it's never making an item list. This might break, this might do nothing. We might just have to tell it to refresh rather than setting an actor. Okay, well, it seemed like it went fine. that's in the actor change, hide item window. We won't be hiding the item window. And how do we set the number of columns as well? Because that's a bit silly looking. Skill stats, wrong thing, wrong thing. Equipped skill list, and then do it again for full skill list. Hey. Okay. So far so good. These are all of the um, all the skills. Now let's see. If I click something, equip, we'll run this equip command. Equip window active, but we also need to select it maybe. And on cancel, on item cancel, hide item window. Nope, do not do that. Command window, activate. Probably unselect this as well. How do we unselect that? Let's see what other things do on cancel. Deselect, okay. This item okay is not good though. This needs to be on equipped okay. This will be on pool okay, on pool cancel. Okay, so when we click on equipped okay, um, going to select the pool window. On equipped cancel, we will yep, that's fine. Pool cancel. We will activate that. Pool window will be deselected, and the pool window will be, yeah, that's fine. Again, I like to just keep testing, see what's right and what's wrong. So I click equip, takes us here, go back, takes us here, cool. If I click on this now, so it's not allowing us to click on here. Is current item enabled? Okay, so we need to determine if something is enabled or not. In the full skill list, we're always going to return true because you can always swap out whatever skill is here. But for the other one, I guess it's the same. Maybe it's something I can add later that skills can be locked, so you have to have them equipped maybe. Or how do we decide how many you're allowed to equip? Maybe this doesn't matter right now. Okay, well the flow is looking good. If I click on here, it breaks, but that's fine. Let's see, on pool, okay, this is where we try and swap. Execute skill change. So here is the equip change skill. Pool skill. Equip skill is going to be equipped window.item, and this is going to be pool window. Maybe I should just use this. Game actor prototype dot equip skill. Say this dot equipped skills. Just push that in there. Unequip skill, and we'll do something similar. I think that's right. So this equip skill, tool skill, and then this actor unequip skill, equip skill. But we'll only do that if equip skill is an actual thing. It's not just null or undefined or something. And then, yeah, a lot of refreshing windows. And let's see where we are. Defined. Oh, I should just do refresh actor there, I suppose. .294. What's breaking here? Cool. Okay. 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 Should keep this limited to just what it says it does, and then do the other stuff outside. I'm not happy with the flow at the moment. Probably want to have all of the slots you can have available to click on, and then just fill that in. Okay, so these windows aren't being refreshed. What's this even do? Set actor. Yeah, I'm probably going to have to refresh these windows as well. and unselect this. Deselect. Well, that part's working at least. You can only use abilities that have been equipped. That's cool. Maybe just have a global. I don't think I need a command. Um, Default skill slots. The default number of skills that can be equipped. Um, Full skill list is fine. We don't want to push an extra null in here. Very funky. So what we're doing is swapping now. We need the index rather than just pushing. The way an array works, if you push into it, it just adds on. So what we want to do now is replace. So on pool OK, where is the execute skill change? We also want to get the index of the equip window. I'm not sure how to get that, so let's have a look. Selectable, Windows selectable, maybe dot index. Yeah, dot index and then function. So So equip skill index. So we're no longer just adding that to the end of the array. We want to set that in this index. Can someone learn the same skill multiple times?